Hi, I'm Faye and I'm your secret ballet coach. Today's class is a Level 2 Advanced Beginner Pointe Barre. First combination, just rolling through your feet. Start in parallel and 1 foot at a time, roll through forward 1 and then up and switch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then repeat that with plie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then going through first position, same thing in turnout, 8 rolling through on a straight leg, and then 8 into plie and finish. Let's go. Next, we have a tendu pressing over into your foot. So you're gonna tendu front, press over, try to hold it there as you straighten your knee and close. You have 1 tendu close fifth, 1 tendu close plie to first, and 2 releves up and 2. Same thing on qua side, press, come back, close, tendu fifth, back to first, and 2 releves. To the back, press, stretch, close, fifth, first, 2 releves, and 1 more time to the side, press over, come back, close first, tendu close fifth, tendu plie first, and 2 releves, and finish. This track will pause between sides. Let's go. Now we're going to do a releve on 2 feet. So starting in first position, you have releve 1 and 2. On your third one, plie over, stretching, making sure you're not sickling those feet. Come up and lower. Then to second, 1 and 2. And your third one, plie over, stretch, and plie. Then for the next, you're going to squeeze your right foot into front fifth. 1 and 2. 3, plie over, stretch, then 3 échappés to change. 1, 2, 3, and then tendu back to first. Start the whole thing on the left. So On that side, your left foot's gonna come front fifth to close when you come to fifth position. Let's go. Next we have releves in coupe and pique pas de bourrées. Starting in fifth position facing the bar, you have plie releve coupe front, plie releve coupe back, and then plie releve coupe front, stay up, open out, coupe back, roll through. Then you have coupe pas de bourrée, pique up, down, up, down, then all the way to retire, and one échappé. Starting on the left, releve coupe front, releve coupe back, and front, stay up, open, roll through. Coupe pique pas de bourrées twice. Your third one goes all the way up to retire, échappé to change. And then you're gonna repeat that again, both sides. Let's go. Next, we're gonna do an échappé exercise. You're gonna start with échappé fourth, second, fourth, and a sous-sus. So you have fourth and second and fourth and sous-sus. Then you have two pique pas de bourrées. Up, fifth, and up, fifth. Then you have three échappés to the side and hold on the third. 1, 2, 3, hold, and then one more time. 1, 2, 3, hold. And then you're gonna start the whole thing from the left. Échappé fourth, second, fourth, sous-sus, passe pas de bourrée, and 2 of those. Then échappé second, 2, 3, hold, and again, 1, 2, 3, hold. You're gonna repeat that twice through. Let's go. Now we're gonna do a pique and petit battement exercise. So you're gonna start slightly on a diagonal to the bar, but depending on your comfort level and strength level, either 2 hands on the bar or you could put one on your hip. I will be using 2 hands on the bar. You're gonna plie forward, pique sous-sus, plie. Your back foot is gonna petit battement as you change tendu to the next diagonal. Then the other side. Pique sous-sus, plie, petit battement, plie. Third time, sous-sus, plie, petit battement, plie, tendu, and 2 beats, plie, 2 beats, plie. Starting other side. Pique sous-sus, plie, petit battement, plie. Pique sous-sus, plie, petit battement, plie. Pique sous-sus. This is your third one, and you're gonna stay on that diagonal effacé, and 2 beats, and finish. You're gonna do that twice on each side. Let's go. Next, we're gonna do an exercise for bourrees and amute. So you're gonna start a little step back from the bar. Plie, pique forward, bourree, 1, 2, amute back, 1, 2. Bourree forward again, 1, 2, amute back, 1, 2. Bourree forward, 1, 2. Bourree to the side, 3, 4. Bourree turn, 5, 6. Coupe back, tomlie, other side. Pique bourree forward, 1, 2, amute, 1, 2. Bourree forward, 1, 2, amute, 1, 2. Bourree forward, 1, 2. Travel side, 3, 4. Turn, 5, 6. Tomlie back, and prepare to go again. You're gonna do it twice on each side. Let's go. Next, we have a retire and releve passe exercise. So you're gonna start with releve devant, 1 hold, and releve derrière with the other foot, 2 hold, and then you're gonna have 3 quick passe changes, 1 and 2 and 3 hold, close. Then you're gonna brush your front foot to the side, brush, rond de jambe, hold the sous-sus, plie, brush, rond de jambe, hold the sous-sus. Starting from the left, releve devant, hold, and derrière, and 1, change, 2, and 3, close. Brush your front foot, brush, rond de jambe, sous-sus, plie, brush, en dedans, sous-sus, plie. And you're gonna repeat that twice on both sides. Let's go. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. And as always, if you have any requests or questions, feel free to leave it in the comments, and you can always email me at secretballetcoach@gmail.com. Until next time, keep it on the QT.